and I'll be sharing my knowledge about managing nutrition since I've been used to that. Two of your family members are underweight and your dad is overweight. So I'll be sharing stuff to help you understand more about nutrition. Okay, so that's okay. So, do you know what a BMI is?
Yes,
You actually know
body mass
it, of
index.
course. So what does it indicate? It's a measurement of a person's body shape of how fat or how thin they are. They calculated from a person's height and weight, and yeah, it's not a perfect system, but it's a good measurement of whether you are healthy or not. Do you understand, sir?
Yes.
Okay. So these are the risk factors of being underweight. Physical symptoms: your skin, hair, and teeth problems. If a person does not get enough nutrients in their daily diet, they may display physical symptoms such as thinning, skin, hair loss, dry skin, or poor dental health. And then getting sick frequently. If they do not have the energy to maintain their diet, healthy body weight, they may also be getting enough nutrients to fight off infections. So if they don't have enough nutrients to fight infections, they get sick, of course. Then feeling tired all the time, lack of the calories, the energy, and for ladies, irregular periods, okay, and then anemia. So if someone's underweight, they most likely have low blood counts, okay, thus leading to anemia. So these are the complications of being underweight: malnutrition, vitamin deficiencies, and anemia. So remember, because of the lack of nutrients, the body doesn't supply proper. It doesn't work properly because they lack the energy to sustain the body. Osteoporosis from too little vitamin D and calcium. You know osteoporosis surgery. You know when you're sick, your bones are really weak. And then you see decreased immune function since there is less nutrition and nutrients. Yeah, you get a decreased immune function, increased risk for complications from surgery, since if you are bleeding too much, it might not supply enough of the white blood and red blood cells, and thus leading complications. Growth and development issues, especially in children and teenagers. They stunt their growth because without much nutrients. So you can see like there's a lot of problems, right? That if you don't have enough nutrients. So, and also may not develop healthy bones because calcium, of course, is very important. Like just said here, vitamin D and calcium, and thus it leads to that. So now we'll discuss about the nutrition-rich food. What do we need? Starchy carbohydrates. Okay, take a look at that. That's pandesal. You know pandesal, sir? Do you eat pandesal? It's delicious, right?
Yes.
Okay. Bread, potatoes, rice, and pasta to supply a lot of carbohydrates, giving more energy in your body. Fresh fruits and vegetables. Okay. Do you know this? Malunggay. So in the Filipino dish, it's also very important. Also, gives you a lot of this, like macro and micronutrients that help you healthy in your body. Lots of protein. If you have protein, what does protein do? It builds your tissues, makes your body like stronger. It repairs your tissues also in your muscles. So it's very important to have protein, a lot of protein, so that you can like move very well and be more energy efficient. Side dish such as low fat and lower sugar yogurt. This is for if you're having like a special diet to increase your weight. This is very course, drink water, skimmed or semi-skimmed milk if you have, sugar-free or no added sugar drink. So we can avoid soft drinks. Do you like soft drinks, sir?
Yes.
Okay, so no, we should avoid that if we're trying to manage our nutrition. Okay, and now this is the guide to healthy eating. What are we gonna do? Drink low-fat milk and water instead of sugary drinks. Very important, instead of sugary drinks. Okay? Eat at least 5 servings a day of fruits and veggies. Do you regularly eat vegetables and
No.
no, you don't?
No.
Okay, so it's okay because now we are learning how to eat it. Okay? Yeah. Include a variety of protein in your diet. Okay, so if like tofu, veggie meat, if you're into that, also of course chicken and eggs, you know your proteins, right? Choose whole grains. Do you like whole grains like whole wheat bread? Do you know that?
Yes.
Okay, so if you prefer bread, eat the whole grain instead of the white one because whole grain gives you a lot of fiber and thus making you more healthy. Don't skip meals, including breakfast. So what time do you have for breakfast, sir?
7 o'clock. 7 in the morning.
7 in the morning, so you wake up really early to eat your
Yes.
breakfast?
Yes.
Okay, so that's good. Just don't skip meals, especially breakfast. Pay attention to portion sizes. You measure to what you're eating. This is to help you manage your weight gain and your weight loss. Prepare most meals at home. Eating out a lot can cause weight gain. So as much as possible, we should cook in our kitchen and make homemade dishes. And be active every day. I know that you exercise, but yeah, this is very important so that we can have a healthier lifestyle. So health is not important when you are healthy, but becomes very important when you are sick. Okay? So now we stay healthy, my friend. Eating healthy means living longer and better. Have you learned anything, sir?
Yes.
Did you learn anything?
Yes, I did.
Okay, so if I'll ask you some questions, like I'll ask you a specific question and you answer me. Okay, if that's okay.
Yes, that's okay.
Okay. So can you give me one thing to do or one thing to eat when we are low on nutrients? What are the recommended food that we need to eat? Like the 5, you remember the 5 features here?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Can you give me one?
Malunggay.
Malunggay, okay. For the starchy carbohydrates down here.
Pasta, rice.
Okay, very good. How about for the drinks? What are we supposed to drink?
Yogurt. Yogurt. No.
Drink? Okay, so yogurt is correct.
Milk.
It's side dish. Okay, for the yogurt.
Skim milk.
Okay, skim milk and also water, those things.
Yes, and water.
And fruits and vegetables. Okay, very good. So now you've learned all these things. I hope that you apply it with your family, with your daily life, so that you can live longer and be more healthy. Okay, thank you very much, sir.
Thank you.